I'd like to call on my sister, Ambassador Husseina, who herself, at a point, was Minister of Women Affairs and went on to honor us at the ECOWAS and did very well. Please welcome Ambassador, Her Excellency Samamatu, to the microphone. Please can we do this very, very loudly and warmly. They have been here all morning supporting IOM and the cause of today.
Please, ladies, food will come to your table. The announcement is that everyone should just sit down. Food will come to your table. They're taking it. We're going table by table, please. All right, go ahead, ma'am.
My dearest sisters and elders and leaders, the two former ministers of Women Affairs, particularly the lady of the moment, Josephine Aneni, who happens to also be my senior from secondary school, and that is where a lot of her excellence is coming from. Queen's College, Lagos. You have done us proud. The day is far gone, and I don't want to waste too much time. I want to align myself with all that has been said. I think a lot has been said by everybody who spoke, and capped up by my sister, Hajia Inechiroma, in her last speech. Ladies, even the Khalifa, who is supposed to be an example of traditional conservative mentality, we all heard what he said, that women are at the center of it all. Unless you get it right with women, you cannot get it right. This theme was carried by all the speakers. Everybody mentioned the same thing. So as we leave here, I just want to recap on some of the things that were said so that at our various levels of influence, because we are influential. We're influential in the home, we're influential as mothers, as wives, as sisters, as powers behind the throne, even if we are not given the rightful positions we need. But we are the ones that shape the world. One of the critical things I see, and it has been said by almost everybody, is that unless and until we educate our women, we are not going anywhere. So for me, education is so important and so key to everything we are doing today and talking. My brother Osita Chidoka mentioned Ubuntu. That is this spirit from South Africa that says together we can do it. Alone you cannot make a difference. That Ubuntu, when you talk about it in the context of education, let's forget this one is my area, this is my region, this is my world. If it's not happening in another place, is that it will affect everybody. So wherever you are, please, let's take this concept of getting girls educated compulsorily up to secondary school. Let everybody sing it, carry it, influence it at whatever level they can. If we are able to get that done, get every single Nigerian girl child educated up to secondary school level, all the ills and evils we are talking about will disappear, because those are the pillars of the society. Even World Bank studies have shown, if you take an adolescent girl and an adolescent boy and give them the same empowerment, the impact on the society will come more from the girl. So why are we not singing that and enforcing it and trying to make it happen? So my message is, let's try and get our girl child especially, all our children educated, but the girl child most especially because of the position she holds in the society. That way we can avoid maternal mortality, We can avoid early marriage, because by the time she finishes secondary school, she's about 18. So please, let's talk to our senators, to our legislatures, that universal basic education law must be changed. And everybody must have education up to secondary school. No dropping out, and it must be enforced. Thank you very much.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Gentle Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together, no matter the road.